Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you how I made 2 buns on my daughter's hair. Now let's get started with this video. So I started it with a fresh wash hair. I just finished washing her hair. So the next thing I would do, I will put a leave-in conditioner on her hair, and I was using a liquid leave-in conditioner. And all I was doing was using my fingers to detangle her hair. So this is what I'm doing here. Before I put her hair on a bun, I will grab my edge control and do her edges, make it look nice and cute and pretty. Personally, I don't like to do edges. I don't like to put edge control over the edges because I feel like the edges are really sensitive part of our hair, and then touching them and using a brush to just make them look good and slay. It's really cute, but if you keep doing it over and over, you might just use your edges. But for today's hairstyle, it will be looking nice if I do her edges, so this is why I decided to do her edges today. After I'm done doing her edges, I will grab jojoba oil and I will put it on that part of her hair before I put it on a bun. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Now I'm going to put that part of her hair on a bun, but I'm going to be a little bit more careful not to pull her hair and make it too tight. Again, I will follow the same process on the other side. I will put a leave-in conditioner on, using my finger to detangle her hair, and I will do her edges, and then I will put that part of her hair on a bun. Then I will put a scalp over her edges, leave it on for a few minutes. And voila, we are done. The hair looks nice and pretty. This is a pretty quick hairstyle that can last for a few days. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will see you on our next video. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, press that like button, and press the notification bell, and also share this video with your friend. Bye guys.